So I'm back from doing groceries. I ate lunch. I'm ready to show you what I got. So the pickup went by really smoothly. It was my first time, so when the lady got to the car, I got out to like help her. And there was a few misses, not too much, so I'll show you. So I got some frozen broccoli. I haven't got back to fresh broccoli ever since. I got original, like traditional pasta sauce, Alfredo sauce, pepperoni, some cornmeal to make harina de maíz, which is like an oatmeal almost. It's cornmeal, milk, sugar, and cinnamon. And also to make sorullos, stick around because I'll be making that recipe. I got some oatmeal for baby girl. And then here are the misses. So I opted for the no substitution option on the app because I didn't want them to substitute things like flavors and stuff like that. The good thing about the substitutions is if you get something like a frozen pizza and they don't have it, they have a more expensive version, they'll give you the more expensive version for the cheaper price. Even though I thought, it was gonna go smoothly because of that. So I ordered green plantains, and the picture on the app even had the green plantains, but they gave me ripe plantains, maduros, which it's okay because we eat these, but I wanted to make tostones, so now I can't. Then the other thing was I ordered this Sistema lunch container, and on the app it was like green or blue, like the little pink, and they ended up giving me a pink one, and I ordered this for my husband. I don't think he's gonna like this, so that was another miss. So then I got some household things. I got dishwashing tablets because I can't live without my dishwasher. I love it. Some all-purpose cleaner, pine saw. The smell of pine saw is like amazing. They need to make a plug-in. Paper towels. And then I wanted to talk about these diapers. These are the Parents' Choice diapers, which are like the generic brand at Walmart. So these diapers have not failed me. I have tried all the diaper brands. Yes, I know. We have, haven't we? Yes. You can't have the phone right now. No. Oh, like I was trying to say, we've tried all the brands, and currently in her diaper bag, I have the Pampers brand diapers, and I have this brand. I kind of just buy whatever brand I'm in the mood for. But this brand has not let me down. I've tried all of them, like I said, and my test is if they get through the night, if she can put on a diaper and wear it for 12 hours throughout the night, which is what she sleeps, and it makes it, it's fine with me. With all the brands, she's had a number 2 blowout. She has peed so much that her clothes get wet. That's happened with all the brands. It's just some days are like that. But for this price, these are amazing. She's in size 3 right now, and this box comes with 210 diapers for $20. I haven't seen a cheaper price. If you know of a brand that's cheaper, let me know. And also, I get the wipes. I get the fragrance-free ones. This box comes with 500 wipes, and it was $9. If you don't have a Walmart next to you, you can order this online, and they have free 2-day shipping after an order of like $35. So all of this stuff came out to like, gracias. All of this stuff came out to like $60 or $70, but I had the $10 off because I used the referral code from Our Tribe of Many here on YouTube. And you get that code when you do your first order pickup. So if you want to try the order pickup, you can use my code. I'll link it down below. You'll get $10 off, and so will I. Now for the Aldi portion, I got a cucumber, strawberries, cilantro. I got some carrots, which are not my favorite, but I want to give them to my daughter. Red onions, Parmesan, corn, teriyaki sauce. These new flavored waters they're vitamin waters, and they have like the flavor in these caps, and you push it through and shake it. Those are for my husband because I don't tend to like vitamin waters. Rice, cauliflower, let's see, some cold cuts. I got ham. Oh, by the way, This is like $1.89, and I used to get the Green Giant at Walmart, and it was like $2.50, so it's a little cheaper, and it tastes exactly the same. I've already tried it. Green grapes, green peppers, bananas. I got more of the Girl Scout cookies, the dupes. These are supposed to be like the Samoas. I've already opened them. They taste just like them. And then I bought this time the fudge mint. They were good too. I already tried them. They passed the test. I got everything bagels. I got their sprouted bread, the reduced sodium kind. This is supposed to be like Ezekiel bread, if you're familiar with that. Some brioche buns. If you haven't tried the sliced brioche bread from Aldi, you have to make French toast with it. Oatmeal. I got these cookie sandwiches, ice cream. First time trying those. I hope I like them. Seasoned fries, shaved beef to make like Philly cheesesteaks, tilapia, eggs, potatoes, Southwest chopped salad kit, and romaine. So that's basically it. Let me give you a little overview. You guys enjoyed the haul and found some new goodies to buy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.